Now we would like to tell you how to solve the system of simultaneous linear equations algebraically. There are certain number of ways that how to solve it. It may be the method of cross multiplication, maybe the method of elimination, maybe the method of comparison, maybe the method of substitution, or graphically. The graphically is very simple, as in the start of the lesson we have the two equations, we are plotting two graphs. If lines are coming parallel, there is no need to write any common solution because there is no point is common in all. Second, if lines are coincident, all common solutions these two lines has. If lines are intersecting at one point, that particular point where these lines are intersecting is known as the common solution. We will also discuss, we will also plot one more actual graph, but before it we would like to tell you what are the algebraically approaches to solve the simultaneous linear equations in two variables. Suppose example is 3x plus 2y is equals to 5 and x plus y, or you can say 2y is equals to 3. If we are taking these two situations, or to make the question more difficult, I am changing here the variable. In place of 2 I am taking here 5, and in place of 3 I am writing here 6. So if I am taking this system of simultaneous linear equation in two variables, then first of all I am writing how many ways we have to solve it. We have number 1, elimination method. Elimination method. We have second one is substitution method. Then third one we have the comparison method. The comparison method. Fourth one we have the cross multiplication method, and the last one is the graphically method. So first of all I am starting with how to solve a system of simultaneous linear equation with the method of the elimination.